Are you ready? Welcome. Shout out to all my people. Shout out to all the future millionaires Discord chat. Shout out to all y'all. Shout out to everybody. I'm still learning this live thing. This is my first night session, and we're talking about stocks. We're talking about finance. We talk about a lot of things today. Let me know how I sound. I'm running off this mic right here. That's this little red dot you can see. Let me know how that sounds. Shout out to my Nokia family. Everybody, honestly, give yourself a pat on the back if you invested in Nokia this year um, at the right time. Well, even if you got anything above a 5%, give yourself a pat on the back. I've been preaching it for some months now, and you know 30. I think today I checked it with 30% drop down too. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm gonna be actually. We'll get into that. We'll get into that. Y'all know I'm always honest with y'all. I don't know why I always have to say that. Um, side note. Side note. You know what Kanye made me realize? He made me realize, as far as finances, when you're investing in an idea in a project, you have to go all out to see all the returns that you expect in your head. I feel like it made me realize that. I don't know. A little side note though, but that has somewhat to do with finance, even if it doesn't matter. This is a night session. This is for Nokia fam. Nokia closed at 611 today. Oh, I was off by a few percentages. 32% year to date in my Nokia gain. And that's no cap. That's no cap, y'all. That's no cap. I've been talking about it for a while, so you can go back and look at all my videos. All my videos. Make sure y'all check them out. Um, for those of you who normally watch my videos, I normally edit, but I decided to switch it up. Do some more lives and just see how it goes. I am getting a little busy too. Um, but yeah, market. I ain't gonna lie. Nokia fam. I said I'd get to that. We gotta get to that. See. If you're interested in joining the Discord investors Discord chat, let me know in the comments. I will get you all the details. It's free. We're not selling you nothing. We're just a group of investors looking to build generational wealth by sharing resources and just having daily financial conversations. I think that's just so important, and it gets forgot a lot. Just having those daily financial conversations. Reading isn't just enough. Watching videos isn't just enough. So shout out to all my future millionaires, my future millies, probably watching right now. If you're watching right now, please put a money sign in the comments, for real, and don't front. Put a money sign in the comments so these people know what's up. Nokia. I'm be honest with y'all about Nokia. I trimmed today. I'm not gonna say how much. What I will say is, in my past experience, um, that 30% range is usually the height for a lot of stocks in a year, unless it gets like squeezed or something like that. But that 30% range, in my experience, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you that this is what you should do, but I feel like they hit a top point recently, 650. They hit the 650 and came right back down. And there's some resistance at that 650 level. Let me pull up, now I got the chart now, so I can show y'all charts. Now. You feel me? We can get on here and see some charts. Let's see. I don't like this chart. Let's go on TradingView. Another great resource for y'all. If you're not using it yet, please trust me. My cheap ass hasn't bought. I haven't bought the right subscription yet, but don't let my cheap ass hold you back. You get on TradingView and use it as much as possible. You can save your charts. You do a bunch of cool stuff on there that can help your trading, like help your trading like decisions, help it like advance it so you're not so delayed. You can make quick decisions because you have a safe chart and now you're just watching the movement like we are here. Um, let's get to this here. Let's get to this here. We're gonna get to this jobs report stuff as well too. But look at this, y'all. Look at this Nokia fam. Everybody say what's up in the comments. What else? I want to make sure you can see this because last time you couldn't really see it. Say what's up in the comments if you're watching this right now as I'm doing this. Share some stocks that people should be watching. Y'all, I'm here to build community as well too. Like, I don't know. I'm not one of those people on YouTube that's always trying to sell you something. I feel like let me show myself before. No, we'll talk about that after. We'll talk about that after. Sorry, y'all. It's my first Friday night doing this, but yeah. So this is my Nokia chart that I've been working on. Shout out to Greg, got me started. So I never really change these zones. I alter them. A little bit. But where's that 650? Let's come in close here. This is a lot of information. Let's dump this down here. It's a lot of information. Okay. Okay. 639. See, sometimes. There we go. There we go. See, that's weird. I feel like different charts be doing different stuff. Oh no, because this would have been, nope, no. I'm looking at the wrong, let's look at for the last month. Here we go. This is what I wanted to see. Hold up. Sorry, y'all. Even though I'm preaching y'all to use TradingView, I'm still learning how to use it my damn self. Okay. So when was this? January? No. We need something a little bit more. Is it month? Damn it. Weekly. Damn it. This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. This is not gonna work. So let's go back to the 4 hour. Sorry, y'all. I done took y'all on. What the hell did I do? I don't know what I did, y'all. I don't know what I did. Whoa. Oh, I'm on a minute. 30 minute. An hour. Oh, it's because I'm on this. There we go. My bad, y'all. My bad. I'm tweaking right now. Alright. When did it hit 650? See, these charts be all having different, I don't know, like we really got to be careful with all this manipulation. Because these charts be having all different types of numbers. But nonetheless, this is the recent Nokia chart, y'all. I like what I'm seeing, but the reason why I trimmed a little bit is because this downtrend here, I'm not confident that there's enough good news coming up in the next week that's going to give this momentum to rise. I mean, I could be wrong. But this is new territory for Nokia, like in recent times. You got to see where we came from. I'm just being realistic. I'm trimming to get some profits, and then I'll get back in once it pulls back into the zone, right? I can get right back in once it pulls into the zone. But yeah, this is new territory. And I don't feel comfortable being in new territory, especially when I know that next year is Nokia's big year. I could be wrong, y'all. Like I'm not the guru. Everything is speculation, just like everybody else. But let's see. Let's see what Barron says. Okay, Surge won 60% of the year to date, 628. I mean, yeah. Nokia it also says it's benefiting from the work at home trend. It quoted, "We do believe that there is some kind of structural underlying changes in the market, especially in home broadband connectivity," CEO Pekka Lundmark told analysts. Um, I mean, yeah, the work from home is here to stay. I don't think it's ever going away. I'm sure plenty of people can agree in that with that. And let's actually just transition real quick. We'll get back to talking about Nokia fan, but obviously I gotta feed y'all other stuff. I'm here on CNBC. Ugh. Uh, shout out to whoever put this together. Jeff Cox. Shout out to him. I feel like I want to start giving more credit to the people who are actually behind the scenes on the stuff. But the title reads: Payrolls increased 9,400 in July as an unemployment rate slides to 5.4%, which I don't even believe that this is the realistic number. They remove a lot of stuff from these numbers, man. Everything is a little manipulated, but it slides. It's going down. This is good. This is good news. Non-farm payrolls rose by 943 in July, better than the 845 Dow Jones estimated. So that's almost 100,000 more. It's really good news. Unemployment rate slid 5 compared with the 5.7 they expected, so 0.3%. Job gains came fastest in leisure and hospitality, followed by education and professional and business services. I've been telling y'all the services you want to be invested in stocks that offer services. You want to be invested in stocks that offer services. You want to be invested in stocks that offer services. Anyways, let's see. Hiring rose in July at its fastest pace in nearly a year, despite fears over COVID-19's Delta variant, and as companies struggle with tight labor supply and labor department reported Friday. Well, duh. The jig is almost up. The jig is damn near up at this point. The jig is up, y'all. Like it's unemployment's coming to an end and people are realizing it. So some people are jumping ship early. They're making the right decision. They know what they're doing. They get into it before. You got to think about how crazy it's going to be when all those people that are taking unemployment right now, when all of them decide that they want to work at the same time. Son, the interview rooms are gonna be jam packed. You might be in a room waiting for an interview with someone you know. And there's a lot of people that are changing jobs. So there's a lot going on. Definitely a lot going on. Shout out to everybody watching right now. Say what's up in the comments. If you're from the Discord chat, shout out to you. I love this mic. How I sound on this mic? Let me know how I sound on this mic. I really do like it. I bought two of them a couple years ago and didn't know what I was doing or how to use them. Like I would just buy equipment. I didn't know how to use it, but I also didn't really have the time to figure out how to do it. But it looked good, and now I'm putting more use to it than I ever was. So, side note, that was a side note. But Nokia, listen, y'all. I got big hopes on Nokia, but that's not a bad but. It's not a bad but. See, everything says something different. This says it closed at 6:10. My phone says it closed at 6:11. This is when I really start to be like, yo, I'll be shaving points. So S&P's at 4,400, and I'm like, yo, it's due. Like it's due. We're due. We are due. It's like I'm not, and I hate to be the one that's. This is a good article here. I hate to be the one that tries to damper the light or tries to be the party pooper. Listen, I'm the Nokia hype god. Nokia got my they got me. They got my money. I just trimmed a little bit. I'm just taking some profits. I'm not really sure where the market's going. I'm not really sure where our economy is going right now. We got the variant up. We got people who don't want to work. We got unemployment about to run out. We got people. It's crazy. I don't know where our future's going right now. I don't. I really don't. You know, the way that they're selling this whole thing right now, and it's wild. So who knows what's gonna happen? Will we get that 80%, 50% drop that some of these analysts have been screaming? I don't know. I hope not. If so, I hope I can stop the hurting before it even gets to that point. But we're retail traders. If you're watching this right now, you're a retail trader. You're one of us, one of me. You're a future millionaire if you're watching this, obviously. So we don't have the same resources and the same connections like those people do, like those hedge funds do. So we're always gonna be, if something goes down, we catching that. We catching that out. But yeah, Nokia. I'm still gonna buy more if it dips. Like I know this ain't the year. That's why I'm not tripping. I'm just taking some profits. Up 30, up 30. At one point it was like 36%, 33%. Like I gotta pat myself on the back. There was nobody talking about Nokia. My Soldier Boy moment. I was the first to talk about Nokia. I was the first investor to talk about Nokia making a comeback. My Soldier moment. Hey, the videos speak for themselves. So sometimes you have to how do I say it? Um, Reward yourself. I don't know why that was tough. That was tough, y'all. I'm tired, y'all. I had a long work week. So my eyes are like barely open. Like the lights are flashing in my eyes. Let me know what y'all think about the setup, though. I'm gonna be going forward. Just an update for everybody who watches my videos, for people who really be keeping up, who really take my advice, even though I'm not a financial advisor. I'm gonna be doing a lot more lives, so make sure y'all tuning in. If y'all real ones, you're gonna comment, you're gonna say what's up, you're gonna show love, you're gonna tell me what stocks you want me to talk about. Like earlier, one of my subs, one of my family members, they're not, it's not fans, it's not supporters, it's one of my family members. They told me, yo, where the Nokia ad video at this week? So I said, all right, you want a Nokia video, man? We're going live talking about Nokia. We even did it. I even showed y'all a little bit of this chart. So how I'm playing Nokia, I'm just watching it for the dip. That's how I'm really playing the whole stock market. I've been trimming for the last week and a half because I'm just very skeptical right now, and I just don't wanna. I don't want to miss out on a really good dip. You feel me? If we get a 50% dip in the market, listen, I don't care if I got to drink water for a week before it recovers or two. How long you think we can survive? I can survive water. Because I will put every single penny, dollar, whatever I can scrabble, I will put it in the stock market if there's a 50% correction. I don't like. I will work it through. I'll put everything. I'll borrow money if I have to. If there's a 50% correction. So I want to be as prepared as possible because obviously what goes up, must come down. Stock market doesn't always live in the high life. I learned the hard way when I seen 50% gains on some stocks, and I'm like, it's gonna be good. Like it's gonna go up higher. That's the first thought you have in your head. Ooh, what if it goes up higher and I miss out? Or what if it drops, loses all of its value in the split second, within the first minute? And because you woke up late on a Tuesday morning, you didn't get to check your stocks until minute 3 or minute 5. and you've lost everything. Like it happened to me. Not everything, but when there was that serious correction from all those 2020 gains, my profits got cut in half. Yeah, they got cut in half. I can honestly admit that they definitely got cut in half. So I was like, oh damn, this can really happen. Because obviously I came in 2020 during the crash, and I was still, even during the crash, I was still getting my feet wet, so I wasn't like comfortable buying. But I bought the whole 2020, and been buying 2021 too. So, but I do expect a correction to come. That's just it's bound to happen. How big? I don't know. You can do some of your own research on that. Um, Obviously, y'all, I have to mention Genius West. I picked up, and I didn't want to say this in the beginning because I don't want to steal the shine. These are for the real ones that are watching, because this is my next one that I'm talking about. Um, you know, I don't know how I do it. I call these good ones, but I also talk about the ones that I called that right now really disappointed me. I'll speak about Zing in a little bit, but let's look at GNUS real quick, y'all. Family, let's look at GNUS real quick. I'm gonna get that transition down a little bit faster, y'all. I promise. Okay. Let's read. Let's read why Genius brand stock decreased by 14%. Okay. Okay, so here are some key points. Cartoon Channel has formed some big name partnerships with Warren Buffett, Arnold Schwarzenegger. They forgot to mention Shaq too. Stan Lee's superhero kindergarten hit has been a hit, over 40 million views. Company remains unprofitable, posting a net loss in the last quarter. Of course, man. They're investing in content. They're not going to see, listen, y'all, when you invest in content, you're not going to see the returns right away. It's the same thing like when I do my YouTube videos. I'm not going to see no returns today. I'm going to see returns 5 years from now. And it's going to be, what do you call it? Passive money. Is it passive money? Shoot, dang, y'all going to throw me off. What do you call it? Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. It's Friday. It's Friday. Don't piss me off. All right. So they post. I mean, yeah, I'm profitable. We all know that. Net loss last quarter. But obviously there's a lot of buzz around this. But they're gonna do their thing, y'all. It's like you have to. I don't know. It's hard to explain it if you don't see it. If you don't see it, like the type of content they're making new generation content, because obviously Disney's. I ain't even gonna get into that, but they're making the content of the now, and yeah, it's on a downtrend in the last 6 months. But this is when you want to buy it, when they're making all the investment. They're down right now because they're making all the investment. Obviously, they're going to be at a loss. These are the quarters that they're making all their investments. Put that into perspective, my people. Please do. That's just how it works. You buy now. I done tore this chart up. I done tore this chart up. Oh, I did a chart here too. Okay, wow. So from when I charted over here, woo, this bad boy done went down since my last chart. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is a free account with TradingView, y'all. Okay. So we're down. We're down from this high of 230 in June, because this was in March. We can talk about that right now. So it's ranging right now, and in my eyes, hey, even if it goes down more, if it goes down more, I'm gonna be even happy if it's for some reason tests it's 131 or the 147. I'm not tripping. I'm gonna continue to buy, because like I said, this is when they're investing. Oh, they're investing. They've been investing. Even this whole down, they've probably been investing this whole downtrend. Yep, ran up a little bit, but it's just all investing. It's all investing. So I guarantee, man, a couple more of them shows get off the ground and keep hitting 40 million views. These are streams too. They're gonna be. I mean, I could see them doubling, maybe tripling. Like this is content, y'all. It's not far fetched. It's not far fetched for a company to come in um, behind and just buy them outright. Like it's definitely not far fetched. Like don't trip. Don't be fooled. Do not be fooled, y'all. Definitely not far fetched. So yeah, but I definitely wanted to slightly talk about GNUS because it's the next one. I'm saying it now. I'm telling y'all now. It's the next one, and that is what it is. That is what it is. Let's see, net income. Yeah, yeah, it wasn't good, but you have to. We also have to put into perspective that they bought companies, Chiscom, for advertisement and building toys like that. And I don't know how much more to say. It's another investment, y'all. I think that they got on the roll. The whole market's going down, so ain't nothing to trip about. But let's talk about Zynga, y'all, because this is one that really pissed me off recently. I woke up. It was one of those mornings, and we're gonna wrap on this, but it was one of those mornings, y'all, that I woke up. I woke up late. It was a tired morning. I didn't get to. I was supposed to do a live this morning, and I didn't get to it. Um, and then when I looked at my phone, Zynga's down damn near 18%, man. By the time I caught on, damn near 18% by the time I caught on because of their recent quarterly report after their earnings. And they announced that they bought another company. I'm like, damn, how the hell you lose? But this is all investment. Like, you have to. This is why, like, me personally, and I'm not telling you to do this. And I did buy some more Zynga today. I will double down on Zynga. I actually, on Monday, I'm gonna try to buy some more. Now that I just thought about it, because this is all just effects of making the investment. You have to give it time for it to develop, so that the investment can pay off. So this is actually a perfect time um, for me to bulk up on Zynga, especially for long-term purposes. Within the next 5 years, 2025. Um, like within the next, maybe not early 2022, maybe, well, maybe late 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. Like I think you'll start to see it just increasing in value, because at that point the investment would have shown paying off. They're buying up everybody. They're buying a company in Asia or India. So they're just buying out all their competition, and that is the route Facebook took. And look at Facebook now. Look at Facebook now. Powerhouse. Powerhouse. So we'll put that. I just want to throw that out there. But let's see. I'm gonna wrap up with some Nokia. Where we at right now? I don't want to make these streams too long. We got 28. We're doing real good. But now I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna wrap it up by saying this, and that's just for my Nokia family. I didn't want to feel like I was letting y'all down by trimming, but I just wanted to give y'all a heads up. So, if you would have been in a Discord chat though, you could have got that information a lot more sooner. So that's something. If you're interested in getting in the investors group chat on Discord, we got talking stocks in there. We got somebody that does forex in there. So daily financial conversations is the only way you're gonna get better. Obviously, you're a future millionaire if you're watching this right now. So, or maybe you want to be a future millionaire. And like I said, there's only one way to get there is to surround yourself around other people that are trying to do the same thing. Eventually, that group of whatever 40, 50 people you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What they say, 1%. You may get 1 or 2, but those 2 can lift up another few and another few and another few, and that's how you build a successful circle and family, y'all. But yeah, so let me know in the comments whenever y'all free. DM me on Instagram. That's in the description below. Um, I'll be back again on Monday, so tune in. In between 7:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. I'm back on Monday. We're talking stocks. We're gonna be telling you. It's gonna be live. It's gonna be a lituation. The tea's gonna be on deck. Right now we only got water. But it's all good. We'll be back Monday. Y'all let me know in the comments if there's any stocks y'all want to talk about. Appreciate y'all for watching, taking y'all time. Don't forget, hit the thumbs up on this video if you're watching right now. Like, stop for a second. Hit the thumbs up even if you got to sign in. And say what's